To select a cinematic video model in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. This is where you create videos using different AI models depending on the style and output you want. Once inside the video generator, click Create New Video or open an existing project. You can begin by entering a simple prompt, but the most important step here is selecting the right video model before generating your output. Look for the Model Selection section. This is where Artlist AI provides different generation models, each designed for a specific visual style. These may include realistic models, stylized models, and cinematic models. To create a cinematic video, choose a model labeled cinematic or one that is optimized for film-style rendering. Cinematic models are designed to produce more dramatic lighting, smoother camera movement, depth of field effects, and overall movie-like visuals. After selecting the cinematic model, take a moment to review any model details provided. Some models may emphasize realism, while others focus on stylized film aesthetics or dynamic motion. Choosing the right one depends on the kind of cinematic look you want to achieve. Next, you can set your aspect ratio, and for cinematic results, 16:9 is usually the best choice since it matches standard film and YouTube widescreen formats. You can also adjust other settings like duration or motion intensity depending on your project. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. The AI will process your prompt using the cinematic model and produce a video with enhanced lighting, composition, and film-like motion. When the result appears, preview it carefully. Look at how the camera moves, how the lighting behaves, and how the scene feels overall. If it doesn't match your vision, you can refine your prompt or try a different cinematic model variation. And that's how you select a cinematic video model in Artlist AI. Choose the model, set your cinematic parameters, generate your video, and refine until you achieve a film-like result.